All right, what's up? Gonna make a Marocchino. So if you all know Marocchino or Morocchino, however you want to say it, maybe it's called something completely different, but basically small cappuccino with a lot of chocolate. So that's what I'm gonna be making. Small cappuccino like mocha with yeah, a lot of chocolate. So I'm just measuring out 16 grams like I do always. Everything should already be warmed up. Shaker. It's got the cocoa shaker. Let's see. I need my cocoa powder as well. The cocoa I got in the shaker is different from the cocoa I got in the powder. Where did I put it? You know what we could do? We could just use the Nesquik one. The Nesquik one is really nice because it melts fast. And I'm not going to put a ton in here at all, like just a matcha spoon's worth of it. Such a small cup. And that's all. That's about all you need anyway. Let me make sure. I've had this cocoa for a very long time. Make sure that it's not like turning or anything like that. It looks decent. Yeah, it's about time for me to replace the cocoa in here. This is a Ghirardelli cocoa. That's all I have left of it, which is why I don't use it for the drink, for like actually mixing with the espresso itself. I mean, sort of, yeah, I am. I maybe could have just put that in here and did the same thing, but whatever. We'll do that later. We'll optimize at a later time. I'm gonna put very little espresso, honestly, in here. Not too much at all. Probably could have gotten away with just doing a single shot, to be honest, but just that much. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. Get that mixed up. Get the steam wand going. All right, that's mixed. Let's see, pitcher. Have a bit of fun. Use this really small pitcher. Honestly, I think I put too much. Filled up right about there. I'm gonna let pretty much nothing in here but air, because we're trying to get that cappuccino foam, so you're gonna hear me introduce air pretty much the entire time. And this is all gonna happen really fast. There's not a lot of milk in here, and it's filling up very quickly. So what I'm doing, I'm letting in air, but I'm reducing the vortex. Yeah, you gotta act really fast when you're using this small of a pitcher. Really fast. All right, now to make it a Morocchino. So, I'm gonna put a bunch of chocolate in here. Oh, I just took the thing off. There we go. All right, just gonna lay down the chocolate basically before I put any milk in. Make sure I try to get it on the sides. Cool. Now before the milk. Make sure I get a good layer of foam up there. Come on. Made really good foam. Really, really good foam. And then top it off with even more chocolate. There you'll have it. Marocchino, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, beautiful drink. It's really tasty. Honestly, more of a dessert than anything, but also good wake me up for the mornings. So anyway, thanks for watching as always, and more soon.